Hi everybody, and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Okay, day 5 of this Granny Square series. These are specifically flower granny squares, flower granny squares, because it is May, right? May flowers. So I don't know if you joined me yesterday, but we looked at a beautiful daffodil square, and it actually is right here. This is actually an ebook by the same designer, Luba Davies Atlier, and she has 9 different patterns in this book. So the book is an ebook. It is available for instant download, and it is, PDFable, which means you can print it as well. This is available for $14.47 on Etsy, and it looks like she's got some really adorable designs here. I'm just going to... Oh, look at this. There are more. I told you wrong. I see that there are some here that are not listed on the other page, like this one and this one. I love the pansy. That's gorgeous. Yeah, so this ebook contains 11 of my best-selling patterns of floral blocks, and then it lists all the different ones here: Chinese rose, daffodil, etc., etc. Diana says, I love these flowers, so I made a vest with some of them. I took 2 pics, one from the front and one from the rear, but I can only display 1 pic here. So yeah, she used the squares at the bottom of her vest. That's a great idea. Jackie Lee says, I love this shop, love the patterns, quality is perfect, more than meets my expectations. Gwendolyn purchased this book because it had several pattern designs she's interested in making. And Entrelock says the pattern instructions for these flowers are easy to follow and the results are fantastic. Thanks so much. So yeah, these look like really fun patterns to make. Let me know what you think. Is this something you'd be interested in? Have you ever downloaded an ebook before? Curious to know. All right, everybody, until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time with some more fabulous Granny Square projects.